how to create DeviantArt account. So if you want to create a DeviantArt account, then first of all you need to open up your Play Store and then go and search for DeviantArt and download the application. And after downloading, you can simply tap on DeviantArt application and open that. And now you can simply go for join, which is here on the bottom. And now to create your account, you can continue with your Google, Apple, or your Facebook, or you can also add your email address. So I'll be choosing email address. And after that, here you have to choose a password. So make sure to enter a strong password. And after entering your password, now you can simply tap on continue with email. And then you need to pick a username. And then your date of birth. And after entering, tap on join. So that's it. That's how you create your account on DeviantArt. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.